morning from Tura. In today's video, we are going to see Tura, the town and headquarter of Garohills, Meghalaya. So we have reached Gasuapara. There is a mini bus stand. The main bus stand of Tura. New ISDG has been constructed in Tura, Molmigre. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Click all, get all the notifications. This is Tura Nakam Bazaar. Nakam means dry fish. I will show you a dry fish market. Nakam Bazaar means dry fish market. Here on my left side, this is a dry fish market. So guys, we have reached here Tura supermarket. On my right side, this is the main Tura town. First we will be traveling to RML. This is Kabul Bazaar. Here you can buy chicken, fish, mutton. Because of this bus, we are trapped in traffic. Here it is the bus stand of Garohills, Kirkilla, Kilsela, Mahendragan. And we have reached Hawakana. I think you all will know the meaning of Hawakana. Hawa means air, Kana means eating something. So the word Hawakana describes itself as air breathing. Hawakana means air breathing. And on my right side, in the up, it is Tura Government College. And Hawakana Baptist Church. Here it is, Hawakana Baptist Church. Prepare to meet your God. Nice spot. This one is Circuit House on my left side, and here we have reached Thankyou. In front of my camera it is Tura Civil Hospital, the main hospital of Garohills. Tura Civil Hospital. This one turning left. Here we go. We are in RML now. Sorry guys, I really don't speak English well, but I'm trying my best. So that I can speak well in future. This is one of this church. If you don't know the Tura, where Tura is, it is in Meghalaya. Meghalaya, Tura, West Garohills. And Tura is the headquarter of Garohills. This is P.A. Sangma Foundation High Secondary School and Tura Complex. And finally we have reached Molmigre. And on my left side it is the office of DTO, District Transport Office, and on my right side it is P.A. Sangma Stadium. This is the P.A. Sangma Stadium. It is under construction. And we have reached Molmigre market, and from here we will take a U-turn and go back to San Mari and explore it. This is the TV tower of Doordarshan Kendra Tura. Guys, we are back to Thankyou and we will take different road to San Mari. We will go by Jerusalem road. We will take left. Dan saya tak kasih tadi kan mo. Guys, we are back to Hawakana and we will take left to San Mari. This is AOC petrol pump and we will continue to ride towards San Mari. On my right it is Christian Girls School. Guys, this one is Christian Girls School, one of the oldest school in Garohills. Yang ni jaga Christian Girls School one. And here it is Tura Baptist Church. On my right it is Tura Baptist Church, and on my left it is Tura Christian Hospital. Ang ni jakrao Tura Baptist Church at ang ni jakasyo Tura Christian Hospital. Anjing daw San Mari Pupaha. And finally we are in San Mari now. On my left there is a sumo stand, mini sumo stand, and we will be heading towards Sanmati playground.
CJM đúng không? Madam CJM,
I
Madam
think some
Leader
program
đúng
is
không?
going on.
Rồi đứng thẳng đứng advocate trong đúng không? Option again không organizing
We will take a U-turn back from Sanmati playground, and we will be going to Tura. So here it is. We have reached Tura Sanmati playground. It is under construction, so we will take U-turn from here. This is Studio Sam. If anyone is interested in music, you can come and visit here, Studio Sam. On my live it is Yamaha Service Center. Now we are heading towards Tura. It is Tura Law College, ESTD 1975, and New Tura Playground. And finally we have reached New Tura Junction, and here it is 7-day Adventist Church and Hillview Secondary School. 7-day Adventist Church, 7-day Adventist Church, and here Hillview Secondary School. Now we are heading towards Tura supermarket, and we are in now Tura Maternity Hospital, Maternity and Child Hospital.